Hello, my name is Carla Vidaurre, and today we're going to talk about connectors. We will learn what are connectors and how to use them. Are you excited? Let's begin. Connectors are words that combines two words, two phrases, and two sentences together. Are you still confused? Let's work with some of them. We're going to study 5 of the most used connectors: so, however, moreover, although, and besides. Let's start with so. We use it to express result, a consequence, or an effect. Here's an example. We stayed out all night, so we were able to see the full moon. Here we have a complete sentence, the connector, and the consequence of our first action. The connector must be used after the comma. Here's another example. My friend was sad, so I invite her to go out. Here we can find the consequence of our first action, and the connector so after a comma. Let's move on to however. It can be used in 2 ways. First, to express contrast. Here's an example. I love eating. However, I'm horrible at cooking. We can see the first sentence here, and then the contrast of the first sentence, however, is at the middle between 2 commas. The second use is to express something in whatever way, regardless how. Here's an example. However you look at it, you can't criticize that. Here's however at the beginning of our sentence, so you can use it at the beginning or between the sentence. However, in the middle must be used. Let's continue with moreover. We use it to add information in our statement. Here's an example. I don't sleep very well. Moreover, because there is a mouse in the upstairs flat. So here we have the extra information. After the connector moreover, must be used between 2 commas. So now let's move on to the next connector. Although is used to express contrast. Here we have the example. We enjoyed our camping holiday, although it rained every day. Here we have 2 complete sentences joined by the connector although, which is in the middle, with no punctuation. Another example. Although he worked very hard, he didn't manage to pass the exam. Here we have the comma to separate the 2 complete ideas. Although is at the beginning, so we can use it at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence, with no punctuation needed. Finally, we have besides. It can be used in 2 ways. First, to replace the phrase apart from, as we can see here. I have no other family besides my parents. So here we can see the complete first sentence joined by besides and the plus my parents. In the second use, we use it to introduce an idea or explanation. I had no time to warn you, besides I wasn't sure. We have the complete sentence, a period, our connector, the comma, and a full sentence. That was our today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye!